Each material has specific colorimetric reproduction properties. To identify how the final colours of the product will be visualised before sent to printing, Saal Digital offers you ICC profiles of each of its products to be used as soft proof. On the Saal Digital website, you can download the ICC profiles for each material, as well as see the settings required to activate each one. But first of all, you need to be sure that your monitor is calibrated correctly and the light conditions of the room are adequate. You can find some tips on our website. In our example, we are going to check Fine Art Barita. We are going to download the compressed file which we will need to decompress. We will install the ICC profiles with the right button of our mouse and select Install Profile. Once installed, we open our photo on Photoshop and go to View menu, Proof Setup, Custom. A window will appear where we need to select our ICC profile with the corresponding settings. On Device to Simulate, we need to search the ICC profile we have downloaded. On our example, we need to look for Fine Art Barita. Here it is. Now we need to fill the settings according to the information located on the website where we downloaded the profile. On this example, we need to deactivate Preserve RGB numbers. Choose a Relative Colorimetric Rendering Intent. Activate Black Point Compensation and deactivate Simulate Paper Color. Now everything has been checked. If you want, you can save the profile to prevent having to fill in the settings again in the future. Once saved, press OK. You will see the appearance of your picture has changed according to the ICC profile we have activated. This would be the result you're going to have on your final product, so if you would like to make any adjustments, now is the time. You can always deactivate the soft proof on the View menu. Proof Colours. All adjustments need to be done with our ICC profile activated as soft proofing. However, you must remember that the ICC profiles can only be used for soft proofing. By no means should the ICC profiles be embedded in the photo. In addition, if you don't know which surface to choose, you can take advantage of the ICC profiles to help you decide which material would adjust better to the result you're looking for and choose your product accordingly. Now it's your turn to try all the advantages of ICC profiles.